What is going on, MOASS Nation? So our dear friend Ken Griffin is a little upset, and because he's upset, we're going to have to talk about it. And we're going to get right into it, but before we do, please don't forget to smash that like button so that the YouTube algorithm shares this video with as many apes as possible. And please, for the love of God, do not forget to subscribe so that you're never missing out on content just like this when I drop it multiple times per day. Anyhow, enough of that. Let's go ahead and get into the video. So currently, as I'm recording this video, there's a pending lawsuit in a federal court somewhere in southern Florida. This lawsuit, in fact, alleges that Ken Griffin, well, maybe not Ken Griffin, but Citadel Securities put pressure on Robinhood and other exchanges in order for them to stop trading on GameStop, AMC, and other meme stocks. So in other words, the lawsuit alleges that Citadel forced all of these exchanges, such as Robinhood, to take away the buy button. So that's what we're going to be talking about today, but there's actually been an update or a development in this case, which is why I would like to talk to you about it right now. It would appear that Kenny Boy, he thought that all his problems would be fixed. He thought that his money would allow him to get away with anything that he wanted to do, to get away with criminal activity, to get away with stealing from the apes. Unfortunately for Ken Griffin and his goons, that's not exactly how life works now, is it? And these apes are ready to just take some of them bananas and hit you over the head with them. So here's what Kenny Griffin is demanding now. He's demanding that this lawsuit be dismissed. He filed a motion in this federal court telling the court that they better dismiss this dadgum motion because he wants his freaking problems fixed. This isn't between the courts and Ken Griffin. This is between Ken Griffin and the apes. And the apes ain't fixing to let nothing get dismissed. But what are the grounds for dismissal here? Well, number one, Ken Griffin is claiming that in this SEC report that came out that we kind of went over on this channel previously, the one about the January meme stock rally that ended up in a disaster. Well, that report wasn't very favorable to us, and now Ken Griffin is trying to take advantage of that. He's trying to say that that report contained nothing about collusion. Specifically what Citadel, so Citadel being Ken Griffin, is saying is that this report, this SEC report, found no collusion between Robinhood and Citadel. Here's the problem with that, though, as I see it. Okay, so, and tell me if this makes sense in the comments below. So Ken Griffin files a motion to dismiss based on the report finding no collusion between Robinhood and Citadel Securities. But the facts of the matter are that the SEC report only slightly mentions this collusion, and it's only mentioned in one paragraph, if even a paragraph. I would say more like 2 sentences, but I guess 2 to 3 sentences may be considered a paragraph these days. They're using the testimony of Vlad Tenev, which is the CEO of Robinhood. They're using Gabriel Plotkin's testimony, and of course, the testimony of Ken Griffin. So Ken Griffin's supporting evidence here is his own testimony, the testimony of the suckers that they bailed out, and Vlad Tenev's testimony, the people that were colluding together. So, good luck with that, Ken Griffin. I'm glad to see that you're using your own testimony and the testimony of your goons in a self-serving manner in order to promote your dismissal of this lawsuit. But I don't think it's going to happen. We're just going to have to stick around and find out. But let me give you guys an example of just how ridiculous this is, okay? Let's say that you and 3 of your buddies, well, let's make it 2 to make it similar to what's going on here. Let's say you and 2 of your buddies decide that y'all wanted more bananas, so you go to the banana store and you decide to rob your local banana store. So you take out a gun and rob the banana man of all his bananas at the banana store, and then when the police arrest you, you go in and all 3 of you give statements. All 3 of you are witnesses because the banana man was blind, so he didn't see your faces. So all 3 of you say, nope, I didn't do it. Then when you're in front of the, what do they call it, a prosecutor that's trying to prosecute you in front of the judge in a courtroom, and you say, Your Honor, I'd like to file a motion to dismiss because based on the evidence, based on the testimony of the witnesses in this case, I think we're innocent. And who would the witnesses be in that case? Well, that would be the people that are perpetrating the freaking crime.